It's time for your daily crypto update with Framework Fortune Crypto. I'm your host, Ben. Now let's dive in. And it is time for the 6K sub celebration for the Framework Fortune home channel, surpassing 6,000 subscribers. We are doing 2 giveaways, one here on the Framework Fortune Crypto channel. It's going to be a $50 Bitcoin giveaway. Later in this video, I will give you the instructions of how to sign up for it, and then the same instructions will be placed for the other giveaway on the Framework Fortune home channel for a $100 giveaway, and that will be in tonight's last RIP episode. But to keep spammers out of this, I'm going to randomly drop that information somewhere throughout this video. So make sure you stick around all the way up, at least to that point, so that way you can figure out how to enter and get your chance to win some money for us celebrating that 6K sub mark we hit and giving back to the Framework Fortune communities, including the Framework Fortune crypto community. So let's not talk anymore. Let's dive into some of these cryptos. So first on the list, Bitcoin, as you can see, came up, testing that 200-day moving average at that $40,000 area. That's what I said yesterday. This will probably reach there, but it's going to run into a lot of resistance, and it currently is. So we're going to need to see that break through that 200 soon, with the good news of the whole Taproot block activation and El Salvador making Bitcoin a legal tender in their country. So a lot of those good headlines, Bitcoin getting a rebound. Rest of the market is doing the same. We look at Ethereum. It has popped up, bounced off of that trend line that we had drawn there, and it's currently getting held up right at the 20 and the 50. They're kind of smacked there together. We're going to need to see Ethereum pop over 2750 here soon to get back bullish. Really needs to make a high over 2900 right in this area. That's going to be some strong resistance, but looking pretty good. We're still building higher lows on all these cryptos, and as long as we continue that trend, then we should continue moving up. Ethereum Classic is lagging compared to the others. The 20-day didn't cross the 50. It is holding right above it. So we kind of have a double bottom here where it's bounced off the 100-day twice, but we're going to need to see it break over that 62.5 area right there where those EMAs are smashed together. If it can break over that, then we can see it back bullish. But right now, it's still a little sketchy, but just moving slower than the rest of the coins. And Dogecoin doing the same thing. See, Dogecoin just barely getting any rebound. The 20's riding right across the 50. Still a little indecision. Polygon MATIC is back bullish on the daily chart, getting back above that 20-day EMA. There's still a bit of a downtrend that needs to pop. This just needs to get over that 160 area that I was talking about. It tested it there yesterday, and today it's trying to test again. We're kind of having a little bit of a sideways day after the big moves yesterday and into this morning. Expected after a pop. We just don't want to see these cryptos come back down like they have after all these other pops, because this would be too small of a pop, and that would lead to some more bearish moves. Cardano 88 getting squeezed right here between the 50 and the 20. Didn't break over the 20, so we're going to need to see it break that 160 area as well, and then Cardano can get going, but still building higher lows, still looking good there. The scalper's paradise I was talking about earlier in the week, and boy, is it a scalper's paradise. I have been buying and selling this thing more. You can see 7 hours ago, got in there 7750, sold it up at 79, 79, 78, got in there. That one was a little loss, but I'm currently in again. This time I am in at 769, and it's currently up to 8.23, and it's looking really good right now on the 5 minute, looking like it's going to try to push for that. Earlier today it got up to 8.4, about 8.5. Pretty nice move there, so it is going to need to push for a new high and get up to that 9. But I think we could see it up to 10. This 7.5 area here was major resistance, but we broke through that, and it looks like AMP is starting to go bullish here. So definitely going to be keeping an eye on it, because I'm continuing to scalp it and have a lot of fun making some money on this volatile little penny crypto. ICP on the daily, creeping up, but still looking a little bearish at the moment. It's gotten a little rebound since it hit that bottom where I was saying this would make a decent swing trade. I don't like the way that candle is right now, so I'd like to see it close higher than this green candle, because if it closes the way it is, that's going to be a doji star, and more than likely we'll see another little sell-off, maybe back down to that 55 area. So now that I've gotten through most of the coins I'm going to cover today, it's time to announce the giveaway specifics. So you will be able to start signing up here very soon. You'll be able to sign up with your email. The link is in the description. It's the first line of the description. You just click on that. It will take you to a different portal, a gleam.io portal, and it will ask you to put in either your email or sign in with your Google account and make sure that you're signed up for the giveaway. Now, once the competition goes live, you've got a week to get signed up. Next Monday night by 12 p.m. Central or 12 a.m. Central, whatever, that is going to be the cutoff date. And then Tuesday, I will do the announcements of the winners on both channels. So if you want to enter for the giveaway to get that $50 in Bitcoin, make sure you go and click down in the description below. And after you've watched this video, if you saw me say this here, then you know already where the link is for the other sign up, which is a $100 giveaway on the Framework Fortune home channel. So that link to that channel is in the description. So currently right now, the top gainer on the day so far that I'm seeing is RLC. It's up about 7.1%. It looks like kind of like ICP hitting a little low down here, $3 and bouncing off that $3 area all the way back up to $4. So nice dollar move there in the last 3 days. If you swung that, you got some nice money there, but 20 days still above it. So we need to see it over $5 for this to go back bullish. And finally, Skale Network. This one is not doing that well. It's had a little rebound, but we are moving pretty far away from these other EMAs up here. So we may see it bounce back up there, especially if the rest of the crypto market is heating up like it seems to be. We need to see some movement out of this. If this doesn't start getting any more buy-in and really pushing up like it did right here on this candle or back here on any of these other big rips, you can see there's this sideways volume here. If we don't get those big rips, then this is just going to continue to sell off right down that 20 days. So got to keep an eye on that. I am still in Scale. Looking forward to try to at least get back up to 50 cents. But we'll see what happens with it. So I know that Pokemoon was requested as a coin for me to check out. I will be diving into that, looking into it a little bit more. I can't find it on the TradingView charts, unfortunately. The project seems like it's very new and has not really even hit the crypto markets yet from what I was seeing. Maybe I'm wrong. So if you can point me in the right direction to try to get some information other than their website, the website is pretty cool. And if there's any other coins that you want me to cover that I'm not currently covering, leave those down in the comments below. Appreciate everybody joining me as always. Stay safe out there. Till next time.